With our ability to survey the planet from above, humanity is rediscovering many long-forgotten places. Significant sites that, for one reason or another, have all been abandoned. Much can be learned from these deserted locations, as each one has a story to tell. Along the border between southern Jordan and Saudi Arabia, hidden in the desolate desert landscape, satellite imagery reveals something unusual.
It's perfectly symmetrical. Doesn't look like a natural formation.
It's a giant rectangle in the middle of the desert.
This part of Jordan is essentially a barren desert, and it's extremely isolated.
The strange shape seems to have been built using earth from the surrounding desert terrain.
So what is this thing? Who put it here? And why does it appear to be deserted?
The mysterious shape measures 65 meters wide and 95 meters in length, a bit longer than New York's Statue of Liberty. But from satellite, it looks no bigger than a postage stamp.
Happening upon this rectangle right in the middle of the desert, I mean, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. So how in heavens was it found?
The shape was first discovered by archaeologists from the University of Oxford, part of a project called Amina.
Throughout the whole of Jordan, there are very, very few sites of this particular type. So suddenly to see something very isolated was unusual. And then given the shape of it and the size of it, it was a very exciting discovery. The purpose of the Amina project is to try and record as many archaeological sites as possible, but then also assess the threats to them.
Major threats include population expansion, human conflict, and the increasing impacts of climate change.